In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a signature in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you've just added a signature by mistake or simply need to update your digital signature, the process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate and select the signature you've just placed in your document. This is the initial step in removing it. By clicking directly on the signature, you're telling Acrobat that you want to interact with that specific element. A small floating menu will appear once you click on the signature, and this menu is your key to the next step. In this floating menu, you'll see several options, but for our purpose, you'll want to look for the trash can icon, which represents the delete function. Clicking this icon will remove the signature from the page, effectively erasing it as if it was never there. This is particularly useful if you need to make immediate corrections or adjustments to your document without any hassle. Now, if you're looking to go a step further and remove a saved signature from your Acrobat profile permanently so it no longer appears in your Sign Yourself menu, here's what you'll need to do. Start by clicking on the Sign Yourself icon, which is represented by a fountain pen located in the toolbar. This icon is your gateway to managing your saved signatures. Once you've clicked on the Sign Yourself icon, you'll see a list of your saved signatures. To remove a signature from this list, look for the minus sign or the X icon next to the signature you wish to delete. Clicking this icon will clear the signature from your Acrobat profile, ensuring it won't show up in your options the next time you need to sign a document. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove signatures from both your document and your Acrobat profile. This flexibility allows you to keep your digital workspace tidy and up to date, ensuring that only your preferred and current signatures are available for use. Remember, managing your signatures efficiently can save you a lot of time and prevent potential errors in the future. Whether you're working with personal documents or handling business paperwork, knowing how to quickly and effectively remove unnecessary signatures is an invaluable skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy editing!